I found 1,000 different ways to fall into the same old struggle. And today was 1,001. I looked at porn again. Here I was, sharing the heartbreaking news with my wife again. I felt such shame as I saw the anger in her eyes and felt the pain in her heart. Why was I still doing this? She was ready to give up on us, and honestly, I couldn't blame her. I was ready to give up on myself. But then, a friend told us about this ministry that could help. We were uncertain at first, but we reached out. We met with people who understood the battle I was fighting, the mayhem I was creating. They had a group for me, a safe place where I could share my whole story, all my struggles. And the craziest thing happened. I found out that these guys liked me, even when they knew the darkest places of my soul. And now, after lots of hard work, I've changed. I'm not the same guy I used to be. My whole life is different. I found out what was underneath my struggles, what was driving me in my addiction. My marriage is growing, changing in the best ways. I can live an honest life, one with no secrets and no shame. Finally, I'm free.